Hi, Mr. Vivek.
Hello.
Can you show me some Greenlands?
Yeah, I have.
Let's
Follow me.
go.
There is steppe is grasslands.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know? Follow me.
Let's go.
These are big grasslands and lots of
Wow,
grass.
it looks so amazing. It's in our village. Mr. Vivek is owner of this field. And look at these plants. Can I know the names or what do we call? Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can. But I
Okay.
don't. I don't know name of the tree.
But it looks so beautiful. I think they are just adding more
Beau-
beauty.
This is a beautiful tree.
Yeah, it is. Should I click a picture?
Yeah,
Please
you can.
give me a pose.
Oh, which type of pot?
You can just touch it like this, I am touching it, and look at there, huh?
Like this.
One, two, yeah. One, two, smile. It's done. It's looking very beautiful. And why did you choose to own a land near main road of our village and plant beautiful flowers and trees? As you have shown me, there are some mango trees, there are two mango trees, and look at the lamps you were seeing on the lane.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is something like, I don't know, I am unable to understand that what was the vision of you, that you wanted to make this land. Can you tell me? I think we have to
Because I
come
have
here,
money.
and
That's why.
Mr. Vivek, please come. You can see, guys, there the main road it is.
This is the
As
highway
you can see, yeah,
44. NH
NH44.
44.
And the view is very nice from our village. It is besides our village, and we are at the top of, I think, but
This is
that
not
is the
top.
roof, not top. So tell me, what was the main purpose of making this land so beautiful with these flowers and plants? What was the main
Because
idea?
I love greenery
Wow, that's
plants.
so beautiful.
Yeah. So I decided to make something special in my place.
Wow, that's good.
So I made this not beautiful.
Hmm.
That's it.
Yeah, can you tell me that is it only your final work done,
Yeah.
or you have some another vision, or you are thinking that to upgrade it by
Yeah.
planting new trees or new lands, or some another idea that you are getting as the
Yeah.
days are changing and technology are
This.
enhancing itself.
Yeah, there lots of there is my lodge
Hmm.
into
What is the
some
name of your lodge?
nothing.
Yeah, I can find it. He
We
is not
only
telling.
have
It is.
this
Its name is Prithvi Raj. Prithvi Raj Garden or Palace. I can't
the
even find.
problem.
But it is on. It is near Didwara village.
So this is the name of this village is Didwara village.
Yeah,
This is traveling name. Okay.
that's okay. But as you
But
Google
we
it in Google Maps,
because
we can find
we have
Prithvi
done
Raj
some
Palace or some lodge. It says
hmm?
Prithvi Raj Lodge or Palace. It says on Google Map.
I think Paris.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, you can just see there, that is the market of our village. It
Yeah.
is being done. It is the Friday today, and the market is on. As you can see,
It's
some
visible.
people, yeah, it is visible, but my camera quality is less, so I can't show you just proper. But you can see it's such a beautiful place
Yeah, it's
to
beautiful.
visit.
But
And
we listen.
yeah,
But we have made some mistake
like
in the
what?
construction.
Hmm.
Okay, this is I have no proper blueprint about the construction, so we secured house construct.
Oh
One
yeah.
is there, one is there. So this
Oh.
is made
So
some
that
mistake.
there is a one house from end to bottom, and there is another one. So what do you think? What do you want to change in it? Any ideas right now? Will you tell me in video?
According to me, there there is a central building.
Oh.
There should be central building, and behind it a kitchen,
Okay.
and on the front of building such a big ground,
Hmm.
and catering system.
Wow.
and some there is so many trees,
Yeah.
है ना? So I think it will be reduced.
Yeah. So you will, what do you want? Will you choose some another type of flowers or plants? Like, what do you want to, like when there will be a new building in the middle of field, and behind the building there will be a kitchen. So in this area, what type of flowers do you want? Like they will be real or just fake?
No, it's a real flower.
Okay, that's nice.
Like
Like colorful
flower.
flowers or some what?
Yes, every type of flower.
That's nice. It's such a nice idea, and it's really nice to listen. Can we
And
go on the roof?
yes, you can.
Let's go. Hey guys, we are here at the roof, and you can see there is some water because it is rainy season, as you can see, and the Gausia. Oh no, that's
Chotia.
Chistia. That's not Chudia actually. And that is Chistia. I heard it is 8 p.m. number in
Yeah,
the
you can
8 a.m. Oh, there's some. I should not go because I may get infected. So when you construct a roof, you have to here is the pipe. So you should have some marbles, and when you throw marbles, the all marbles go to the pipe.
yeah.
But
But it
while the
bulges on the center because there is no support on beneath of the roof.
oh yeah,
That's why it's
so
bulge.
that's why, yeah, okay, I could understand it. That's fine.
And all condition of this roof is all similar to.
Yeah, but it's really nice to see all the land from here, and I really love the place, and I really enjoy being with you in the conversation that you are telling, that everything whatever I am trying to know. And what is this?
This is a
This is the main room or the just a checking room
this
for?
is a washroom.
Oh, this is bathroom. Okay. Here the ambulance going. There should be. It's so nice. Yeah. Do you want to tell something to our viewers? Us to add some,
With regards,
like, you can tell whatever your thought may be, like from seeing here, visit our place, or oh, why is that blinking? Is that for only blink, or it is blinking casually? It looks like horror
my
movies, huh? Do you guys see? Oh my god, it's so scary, huh?
because I have come here after 4 months.
Oh my god, that's so long period, huh? Why don't you come regularly? It's your land and you have to give water to the plants. It's rainy season, no needed for water right now. But
Do we
when you
jump?
visit your land, should we jump?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't.
What will happen to me?
My legs are not capable of jumping even from 2 feet.
This is not 2 feet. This is about the 12 feet.
I can't. I can never even imagine this. Huh? Should I end up saying bye or clapping something? Hey,
So
I wanna
we will
end.
meet in another vlog.
Look! I wanna end this video by throwing a stone. So I will
Which
say
type of
one,
stone you
two,
will
three.
throw?
You can just choose any one, like this one I'm giving you.
Okay.
So you will throw it in your roof, and it will just it will just disturb the butter. Okay, one, two, and three.